Morning, everyone. Today's topic is hydraulic bearing puller. So, one of the mechanical device used to remove the bearing from a particular device. So, this is a part of a mechanical fabrication project that the students are used in their third year Anna University projects. It is very simple mechanism. So, we know the parts hydraulic bottle jack, which is here, and the second one is clamper. This is the bearing, and we are going to clamp. We are going to use the clamper here. Third one is vise which is used for many purposes. This one is the vise. Fourth one, bearing with the shaft. This one is the bearing. Here we have shaft. The shaft is used to knock the clamp. Fourth one, bearing with the shaft, and fifth one is the pressure relief valve, which is placed here. So what is the use of this pressure relief valve? So while using this hand support, the pumping rod, the pressure will be created here to remove the bearing. This pressure is relieved by using this pressure relief valve. Sixth one is pumping rod, and the sixth one hinged support for clamping. Seventh one, this is support. This is used to support hinged. We know that there are three types of supports are there. What are the three types of supports? First one will be hinged support. Second one will be roller support, and the third one will be fixed support. The hinged support is used to stop the motion in one direction, x and y direction, and roller support is used to move the object only in one direction, and fixed support we cannot able to move the object both in x and y, and we cannot able to rotate the object also. The moment is also fixed in the fixed support. Here we are using the hinged support is used to stop the movement of the clamper in both x and y direction. So while we push this hinged support, while we push this pumping rod here, what is happening here is the total setup will move up by the force given here. The total setup of this clamper will move up. The clamp is holding the shaft, so the bearing will come out of this place. So this is the working principle of hydraulic bearing puller. So thank you.